Hello children, welcome back to your maths class. So today we are going to start with the new topic comparing quantities. So at the end of this lesson, the learners will be able to understand what is ratio, what is equivalent ratio, what is proportion, what is unitary method, what is percentage and what is profit and loss. So we are going to study about each and every concept in detail in this lesson. In our daily life, there are many occasions when we compare two quantities. Generally, we compare two quantities either by finding the difference of their magnitudes or by finding the divisions of magnitudes. When we want to see how much more one quantity is less than the other, we find the difference of their magnitude, and such a comparison is known as comparison by difference. In fact, when we compare two quantities of same kind of division, we say that we form a ratio of two quantities. Now, for example, children, if you want to compare how many more chocolates you have than your friend, what you do? For example, your friend has 10 chocolates and you have 5, and you want to find who has more chocolates. So you're comparing, right? So in this situation, what you do? You subtract the amount which you have. Subtract the number of chocolates that you have from your friends. So in this way, we can get the answer after comparing. So in this way, in our day-to-day life, many a times we compare things. Ratio is used when we have to compare two quantities. The ratio of two quantities of same kind and of same unit is a fraction that shows how many times is a one quantity of other. To compare two quantities, the units must be same. So it is very important that the quantities which you are comparing are equal. You cannot compare kg with gram, like kilogram with gram. It is not possible. Let's see one example. Find the ratio of 3 kilometers to 300 meter. So as per the rule, children, we need to first bring both the numbers with the same unit. So first convert both the distances to same, that is 3 kilometer is equals to 3 into 1000 meter, 3000 meter. Thus the required ratio 3 kilometer is to 300 meter is 3000 meter is to 300 meter, and then easily you can get the ratio 10 is to 1. 5 girls to 15 boys. This is the ratio of, for example, this is the ratio of girls and boys sitting in class. So 5 girls is to 15 boys. So to find the ratio of girls and boys, Ashima and John come with the following answers. They needed to know the number of boys and also the total number of students. So the number of boys is equals to 30 minus 18 is equals to 12. Hence the ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys is 18 is to 12, which is written as 3 is to 2. Okay, and which is read as 3 is to 2. That 2 dots, it denotes is to. So after reducing 18 and 12, you will get 3 is to